Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate crypto tax reports with CoinLedger, full guide step by step clearly. To activate crypto tax reports with CoinLedger, begin by visiting the CoinLedger website. Once there, create an account if you don't already have one. Click on the sign up button and fill in the required information. Next, verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. After verification, log into your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, find the import option, often located at the top of the page. Choose your preferred method of importing your transaction data. You can connect with various exchanges or wallets directly. Alternatively, you can upload a CSV file containing your trades. Follow the prompts to either connect your account or upload the file. If you choose to connect an exchange, select the appropriate one from the list. Enter your API key and any necessary details to establish the connection. If uploading a CSV, ensure your file is formatted correctly according to CoinLedger's guidelines. Once your transactions are imported, review the data for accuracy. Look for any missing transactions or errors that might need correction. If you find any discrepancies, manually edit or add transactions as needed. After your transactions are verified, go to the Reports section on the dashboard. In this section, you will find options to generate various tax reports. Select the specific report type that you need, such as a capital gains report. Choose your tax year from the drop-down menu provided. After making your selections, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the system to process your request, which may take a brief moment. Once completed, a download link will appear for your tax report. Click the link to download your report in a convenient format, usually PDF or CSV. Finally, save the report securely for your records and tax filing purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.